Hi guys, today I'm doing another slime video today. This time I have green, blue, and pink. And they have some sparkles here. Now I'm going to take the pink one out first. Yeah. It's sticky. Oh man. Okay, I want to mix the slime up to make a big one. Ow. Guys, did you know that I'm 5 now? You never know this, because I haven't told you. You never know that. Ow, it's sticky. Ow, what's this? I'm going to put some sparkles in them. Look at that, it's so cool. Guys, you want to see this? It's so cool. Look, I have a lot and look at this one's sticky. Okay, we got that one out. Next, let's do the green one out. This one's not sticky. I pretty much put 3 sparkles in here already, because I'm going to add a little bit more. It's going to be a lot. We're going to save the rest for another one. We need like a lot. The pink one has to have a lot. The other ones are going to have a lot. I'm going to have a lot. And the pink one. This one's going to have a really. Okay. That one is done. So we got to save all this for the blue one. After this, I'm going to wash my hands. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Like this one, it's actually like, it looks like, I have some toys here. Like I have this and this. There's our toys. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, we're done with this one. Let's put this one back right here, back to the paint. The last one is blue. Whoa, you see the blue? I like the blue. It'll be a bit sticker. I like this one. Comment down below, which one do you like better? Blue one, the pink one, or the green one? I might like this. Layla's gonna love to play with these. This one has. Look at the blue one. Guys, I like the blue one. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna mix the colors up. So I need these that to be over, but not right now. I'm gonna mix them up. Ready, guys? I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna change or what. I don't know. Wow, wait, I like it. I like it like this, actually. Wow, you can just see the baby look. It's cool, I like it. I wish I hadn't like this whole thing. But I can't forget about the pink. There's something right here. So, stick that right there. Get all the rest of the pink. Pink. And stick that. Okay. Ready to see? Wow. Guys, look what it looks like. Okay, now we're gonna play with the toys. I really needed my coffee maker. Not the real one, I have a fake one. This is gonna be the coffee. So this is how I'm gonna make my coffee today. Today, I actually needed some Barbie dolls. Now I'm gonna add the things. Sugar. Okay. Here, my delicious coffee. You guys are gonna wanna love. You guys are gonna like be like that. You're gonna be like, I don't know what. Now I'm gonna pretend there's treasure. I don't know how much to put here. Let's try this much. Wait. I think this one. Okay. This is gonna be all. You know what? Some of this. I'm gonna take some of this out. Daddy, I'm almost done. Wait, this one. I really need a Barbie. I really need a Barbie. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for subscribing. Comment down below which one you like. Bye.